Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Andrew and today we are going to talk about talking about hobbies.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Andrew, how are you today?
I am great, thank you. How about you?
I am doing very well too.
That is nice to hear.
Today we are talking about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are fun and important.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football.
Oh really? That sounds exciting.
Yes, I play every weekend.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, I play with my school friends.
That sounds fun.
What about you? What is your favorite hobby?
I enjoy reading books.
Wow, that is interesting.
Yes, I like reading stories and learning new things.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure books.
Adventure books are exciting.
Yes, they are. When did you start playing football?
I started when I was 8 years old.
That is a long time ago.
Yes, I loved football as a child.
Do you watch football on TV too?
Yes, all the time.
Who is your favorite football player?
I like Lionel Messi very much.
Lionel Messi is a great player.
Yes, he is amazing.
Many people around the world like him.
That is true.
Let's talk about other hobbies.
Okay.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you play an instrument?
A little. I play the guitar.
Wow, that is cool.
Thank you.
When do you practice guitar?
Usually in the evening.
Is it difficult?
At first, yes, but now it is easier.
Practice helps a lot.
Yes, practice is very important.
I also enjoy listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm music.
Calm music is relaxing.
Yes, I listen before sleeping.
That sounds peaceful.
Music can change our mood.
I agree.
Do you enjoy drawing?
Sometimes I'm not very good at it.
That is okay. Drawing is for fun.
Yes, that is true.
My sister likes drawing animals.
Really? That sounds nice.
Yes, she draws cats and birds.
I think drawing helps people relax.
I agree with you. Let's learn some English vocabulary about hobbies.
Great idea.
The word hobby means something you enjoy doing.
Example, reading is my hobby.
Very good.
Another word is practice.
Practice means doing something again and again to improve.
Example, I practice guitar every day.
Excellent.
Another useful word is relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, music helps me relax.
Great job. Let's practice some hobby sentences.
Okay.
I enjoy playing football.
I like reading books.
I love my hobby of cooking.
I practice the guitar every evening.
Wonderful. These are easy and useful sentences.
Yes, beginners can use them every day.
Let's talk about cooking as a hobby.
Oh, cooking is interesting.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes I help my mother.
What do you cook?
I make eggs and noodles.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you. What about you?
I like making sandwiches.
Simple food can be very tasty.
Yes, especially when we are hungry.
That is true.
Some people enjoy gardening too.
Yes, my grandfather likes gardening.
What does he grow?
Tomatoes and flowers.
Wow, that is wonderful.
He spends many hours in the garden.
Gardening looks relaxing.
Yes, and people enjoy fresh air.
What about video games?
Many people enjoy them.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes, but not every day.
What games do you like?
Racing games are my favorite.
Racing games are exciting.
Yes, they are fast and fun.
I sometimes play puzzle games.
Puzzle games help the brain.
That is true. Pronunciation practice time.
Great.
The word hobby sounds like hob-bee.
Hobby.
Very good.
Another word is guitar.
Guitar.
Nice pronunciation.
Thank you. Let's talk about hobbies with friends.
Okay.
It is fun to share hobbies with others.
Yes, hobbies help people make friends.
My friend and I like cycling.
Oh, really?
Yes, we ride bicycles every Sunday morning.
That sounds healthy and fun.
It is. We enjoy talking while riding.
Fresh air and exercise are good too.
Exactly. Let's teach a little grammar now.
Great idea.
We often use like and enjoy for hobbies.
Example, I like drawing.
Another example, I enjoy swimming.
Very good.
We can also use love.
Example, I love music.
Love is stronger than like.
Yes, it shows strong feelings.
Another useful sentence is I'm interested in.
Example, I'm interested in photography.
Excellent sentence.
Photography is also a fun hobby.
Yes, taking pictures can be creative.
Many people use phones for photography now.
That is true. What about you, listeners?
What is your favorite hobby?
Do you like sports, music, or reading?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
And if you enjoy this podcast, please like and subscribe.
Thank you very much for your support. Let's continue our conversation.
Okay.
Hobbies are important for happiness.
Yes, hobbies help people feel good.
They also help us learn new skills.
That is very true.
Some hobbies are active,
Like football and cycling.
and some hobbies are quiet.
Like reading and drawing.
Everyone is different.
Yes, and that is wonderful.
Do you think hobbies help students?
Yes, definitely.
Why?
Because hobbies reduce stress.
Good point.
Students study hard every day.
So hobbies help them relax.
Exactly.
Let's review today's vocabulary.
Okay.
Hobby means an activity you enjoy.
Practice means doing something many times to improve.
Relax means to feel calm and rest.
Great review.
We also practiced useful sentences.
Like, I enjoy reading books.
And I practice guitar every evening.
Wonderful.
Very useful for daily English. Learning English can also become a hobby.
That is true.
Listening to podcasts helps a lot.
Yes, especially for beginners.
Keep listening and repeating sentences.
Practice a little every day.
Small steps are important.
And do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned useful English today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And enjoy your hobbies too.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.